Hello everyone, for today's video we are going to share with you on how my daughters feeding their pet bird, and they are feeding actually with sunflower seeds. They are removing the skin because he cannot remove the skin by his own. See how he is enjoying so much and eating a lot as well. He is very nice with them, but when it comes to me, he is always running from me. That's naughty he is. Actually, there is also another one, and we have a chick on that pot, and the mother is inside of that. And last week, sad story, one of them died. We did our best to save him, and we brought him to the vet, but then at the end he still died. That is the sad story, and of course we are all sad, especially these two girls.
Oh, yan yung pala. That's there too. Don't come here. Go to the other side. Go to the other side. Oh my goodness, changing. Just switch over. No, you're gonna scare her. Scare who? Him. He keeps going on my feet now.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell for you to be notified for my next video. Thank you so much once again, and have a great day. Smile!